Hi, I'm Joe James. I'm now celebrating the 10-year anniversary for my YouTube channel, and I want to thank you as a subscriber and as a watcher of my videos. Thank you for being a supporter of the channel, because by watching my videos, it helps me. It helps inspire me to continue to produce great content and bring you information and news and tutorials over the past 10 years. And I hope I can continue to do that for the next 10 years, and I will with your support. Now, previously, my channel has focused on mostly Python and Java, especially programming tutorials, and especially in data structures and algorithms. And more recently, I've kind of transitioned more into some data analysis, visualization, web scraping, machine learning, and even image processing. So some of the topics have gotten a little more technical, but I've tried to always dumb down and simplify the content as much as possible so that even beginners or intermediate programmers can follow it and get a lot of value out of it. And I always shared the code with you also on GitHub, on my GitHub site. So I hope this has been a useful format. However, going forward, my focus will be on artificial intelligence. And the reason why is over the past few years, we've seen machine learning have a major impact on not just the computer programming industry or software development industry, but on all industries. On all industries, it's that important and that impactful. And I think with artificial intelligence now, we can see the impact it's making worldwide in pretty much every industry is being impacted by artificial intelligence. And people are now, companies are scrambling to figure out how to incorporate artificial intelligence into their workflow, into their company, and make use of it to streamline what they're doing and give basically faster and better results for their customers. And so I think artificial intelligence going forward is going to continue to grow substantially. It's going to grow fast, and it's going to continue to have a lot of relevance and importance in the world, and especially for programmers and technologists like yourselves. So I'm going to be doing fewer programming and coding tutorials, but I'm going to be probably focusing a little more on news, breaking news and information, covering a wide range of areas within artificial intelligence. So things like machine learning or vision, how companies are applying artificial intelligence to solve a problem, or maybe highlighting some comments from some AI experts. Or whatever breaking news there is in the world of artificial intelligence, I want to share that and I want to bring that to you because it's relevant and I think it's important to you, then I'm going to share it. So because I'm doing this focus on artificial intelligence, I'm also rebranding my channel as OG.ai. That's my new channel name, OG.ai. OG is the Italian word for today. So today in artificial intelligence is really what my channel is all about now. And that's what I'm going to focus on going forward to bring you relevant, up-to-date news and information in artificial intelligence from the perspective of a software engineer or a developer or programmer. So that's kind of it. That's my focus going forward, and that's why I'm doing it. And I feel like I'm going to do fewer programming tutorials. However, I'll probably still touch in some coding now and then. But I especially want to bring you a lot of news and information within the world of artificial intelligence. And because of that, in Google, I'm going to produce some short form videos, sub 60-second videos that are in the vertical portrait format, because a lot of these news clips, the breaking news, lends itself really well to the short format, under 60-second vertical format. So I'm going to use that format as well as the standard format videos to bring you information and breaking news. So I hope that works for you. And if you have feedback, I really value that. I would greatly appreciate any constructive feedback on my channel, on my transition here for the channel. Your feedback is so valuable because it helps guide my channel. It helps tell me what information you want to see on the channel, and that is invaluable to me. So please give me your feedback, and let's continue to grow going forward.